Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Okay, Trust Progress, the analyst. I am here for you to give you all the update back to back. The purpose why you have me is for me to update you, and that is what I am doing. So please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. Without not wasting much of your time, let me leave you to listen to this update, and I'll be right back.
They have always said that Nigeria and whoever it concerns should understand that ESN and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not involved in what is going on in Southeast today. That the you people should count Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and ESN out of what is going on in Southeast today. That those who is doing it is Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra Fighter, Biafra Navy, and him as well, the Biafra Prime Minister. That if you want to look after those who is doing that, you should fund him, or you should fund the Biafra Navy or Biafra Army Force. You should fund them. That ESN is not even, and that is the truth. You have not heard the things, you have not heard that ESN is so. And these people you have been keeping looking for ESN, and ESN they are not looking for you. Now the Biafra Prime Minister said, look for those who is looking for you. And this is the reason why this man always say, stop killing the innocent people. If you want to find those who is after you, find them. This is the place. This is the kind of place to find them. Go and look after them. Go and look after them. And stop killing innocent people. But some junkies, which I saw, they come out and say, it's not. There's something that has happened to most of you people. Unana like Kamadu, even when you win, he gave me, it got happen in the you will never allow the person. You know very well you cannot do anything. You have nothing to offer. When somebody is doing something and try to prevent, maybe like most of you idiots, most of them the criminals, they are saying, Simon Epa this, Simon Epa that. And Simon Epa, the Biafra Prime Minister, have been doing everything possibly to make sure that he makes sure that everything that is happening inside, he distances from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, he distances it from ESN, and all of you idiots are ranting, if not ESN and stuff. You see, all of you people are so daft. Most of you people are so daft. You cannot reason. You cannot think. Sometimes you people will come out and say, hey, because of what the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is doing, that is the reason why they have not released Mazen. And you are not ashamed of yourself because you are so daft. You cannot reason. Now and since then that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was head and the Biafra Prime Minister start doing what he's doing, he always will say one thing. He always say that everything that is happening in Southeast, nothing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not aware of it. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu don't have hand in anything happening in Southeast. That if you want to know what is going on, this you know why I love Biafra Prime Minister so much is that he's a man that always presents his stuff. He presents it to the world. He doesn't have any underground doing. He doesn't have anything like, oh, we are doing this, we are doing that. He always say that, oh, Mama Nieme. Is there anybody that, since I am Biafra, most of you people that cannot read, is there anybody that have done such a thing before? He distances everything that he's doing today. He distances it from Onyendu Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So that most of you people idiot who is claiming that it is because of what the Biafra Prime Minister is doing, that was the reason why they are not releasing. Because you are daft, because you cannot reason. That's the reason why you see everything happening today. The man always distances. He always say that these are the people doing the needful. And the Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Navy, and Biafran Air Force. These are the people that is doing the needful. Distance himself. He distance everything that is going on in Sati from Onyendu Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He distance everything that is going on in Sati from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and ESN that the Nigerian government has been looking for. And the Biafra Prime Minister said, look after the Biafran Army, look after the Biafran Fighter, look after the Biafran Navy, look after me, the Biafran Prime Minister. And most of people being judged today, you cannot reason. Because sometimes it's good you reason, you think. All of you people are idiotic and IPOB Nigeria. You see IPOB Nigeria, how they are jumping around. Simon Ekpa Meheji is the reason why they are still holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And you have no sense to reason that this man have always tell you that he will make the reason why they kidnap Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to useless. He will make sure that reason why they kidnap Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is useless, and that man have done it today. Today, all of you people idiotic were thinking that after Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be kidnapped, the rest have been assured that nobody will talk about Biafra today. But Biafra Prime Minister have trashed every one of you people idiotic and also put it in high demand to the extent all of you people today are running head and skater. Look at how ordinary Nigeria giant of Africa captain is coming to cry on national TV that the enemy in South East, Simon Ekpa have sabotaged. And look at most of you people idiotic who cannot reason with your common sense. And this man has been doing everything he's doing. He put it on the wall. There is nothing that this Biafra Prime Minister has been doing that he hide. He brings it on notice of the world that what is going on in Southeast, he's in charge. This is what the Biafra Prime Minister have always said. He said, what is going on in Southeast, he is in charge. Go after me, go after the Liberation Army, go after the Biafran Navy, go after the Biafran Air Force, and stop killing innocent Biafrans. And he goes on and said that everything happening in Southeast today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not aware of what is going on, and he don't have hand in anything happening. As well, ESN, he said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and ESN has nothing to deal with what is going on in Southeast today. Because this man is a kind of man that he's ready for you. He's ready for you to give you whatever he wants. He's ready to make it or to make sure that. Sometimes I ask people, do you understand what it means to be a prime minister of a nation? Go and ask God what it requires a prime minister of a nation. The job of a prime minister of a nation. You will find out that every single thing this man is doing, what requires his job is exactly what he's doing. But most of our daft people is coming up to say Simon Ekpa this, and everything that this Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa did, he always say, Mazi Nnamdi cannot have no hand in everything happening in Southeast. ESN that Nigeria government is finding to kill today have no hand in anything happening in Southeast. He told you, come after me, the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Go after the Biafran Air Force. Go after the Biafran Navy. Go after the Biafran Army. And all of you people are ranting that all Simon Ekpa be the reason why they are still holding Mazi Nnamdi, because you are idiot. Because you don't have sense of reason. Today, what is the reason? Today, as we are talking today, Nigeria government is crying in the hand of Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Today, you are seeing everything happening today. Those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are regretting why they did that. Those who have concurred and make sure that they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to their name. Now, even those who buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from their name, those who buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is as well regretting today. Because they never expected the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. They never in their life expected. I said this before, that if those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ever expect the Biafra Prime Minister, they will never say him. I said it before, that if the Nigeria government ever expect Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, if they ever expect him to be so dangerous like him, they will never buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to them. They will never. Today, the Biafra Prime Minister have made sure that those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are regretting. The Biafra Prime Minister make sure that those who buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is Nigeria, they are as well regretting. Because what they were expecting have actually become rubbish. They were expecting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abduction is going to end everything. And abducting and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abduction is now the biggest mistake those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and those who buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have ever made. Now those who buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is Nigeria, they are now, most of them are now crying on the ground. Had it been they know, they would have left Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to keep on doing the way they have been doing it. Now those who say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are as well regretting. They would have left Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to do what he has been doing little by little and doing what he's doing. And now all of you people that have to it's all of you people that don't know your left and you cannot have one because you don't know your left and right. If you cannot carry and the Biafra Prime Minister Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now every blessed day that he name Alibo, those things that you are seeing today, count him as a responsibility. Can the Biafran Army, can the Biafran Navy, can the Biafran Air Force and the Biafran fighter? He said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't have hand in anything that you think is happening in Southeast, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't have hand in anything that is happening in Southeast. Both ESN and the Nigerian government is always looking for to kill, doesn't have hand in what is happening in Southeast. That anybody that want to know who is in charge and who is in command should look for him. And as well look for the Biafran Air Force, the Biafran Army, the Biafran Navy. If you say that you want to know those in charge, those who is doing the needful, find him. And all the criminals that have been looking for me today, they were disappointed. And only Bondu Chuku Brono Chuku Gozanya Gozi Boku no the same time. You cannot reason with your brain. Look at Biafra where we have been looking for years. Biafra we have been talking about years. Is now with us. Biafra that all of us have been crying for many years is looking around how we are going to go about it. Today, those people that don't want to give us Biafra, do you know as we are talking right now, even those northern staff, they are now crying that they should allow Biafra go. But all of you, our people, the same time, you cannot reason with your left and right. Always we are seeing all this and crying every blessed day online, telling you people, you people should be aware that Biafra have come. You know, even on our carry name anyhow. And the Biafra Prime Minister always say that don't interfere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in anything happen. That if you want to know the reason why what is going on in Southeast is going on, call him. Ask him why. Why is this happening? That he always bring it on air, nothing like underground. You know when all these things happening, they tell you that I am one day in the IPOB Nigeria. You know now they have IPOB Nigeria. For most of people who don't understand, they have IPOB Nigeria and they have the original indigenous people of Biafra, which Mazi Simon Ekpa is in charge after they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That indigenous people of Biafra, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is in charge. And after they say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now the Biafra Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, he is now in charge. These are the real IPOB. And those IPOB in Nigeria, you see them, you know them, you see how they are behaving. These are the criminals that have been telling me and you, we have been fighting for Biafra for years, and those who have been fighting for Biafra, you was not be able to do anything. For how many years? And you, most of people who told us today that Man Simon the Biafra Prime Minister is a 2019 Biafra agitator, and what these Biafran agitators in 2019 have been able to do in this Biafran struggle, none of you criminals have been able to do it in years that you have been into Biafran struggle. All you people do today is you come out, every single step this man is making, all of you criminals, you jump around, you go against it, and this man never care. Because for the woman ihe ọ na-eme ọ ma mmọnwụ na-echi o nwere time ọ gwara unu na akwụrụ fụ mmọnwụ ahụ maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-echi before mmọnwụ abụọ na-echi ya the whole world na respect na respond to Biafra. That mmọnwụ o nwere time ọ gwara unu sị ọ bụrụ na ga-echi mmọnwụ ahụ na ya nwa bụ maazị Sam Nekwa ga-echi mmọnwụ ahụ chiruo to the extent the whole world will understand. All of people today, what is going on? Kedu ihe na-eme taa? What is going on today? All of you people that have been jumping around claiming all these things today, what is going on? I'm trying to add somebody. What is going on? And all of you people, the most painful part of it is that you are not ashamed of yourself to come out, and this IPOB in Nigeria, you see them jumping around, going against the same people. But these are the people who claim they are doing it, they are trying, they are doing their best, but they are the same people who is fighting against Biafran struggle. And all of you people today, you are have to understand that Biafra have come. Now Biafra have a government, Biafra have army, Biafra has navy, Biafra is now having embassies all over the world. Because if you understand what Biafran liaison office stand in every nation, you understand that Biafra have come. Because if you really go and search the meaning of liaison offices, you will find out that Biafra liaison offices actually represent Biafran embassies. And remember when the Biafra Prime Minister were telling that, okay, that as soon as Biafra come, those Biafran liaison offices will actually become Biafran embassies. Do you know what it means? Now, if you have a problem as a citizen of a nation, where do you run to? Is it not the embassies? Fine. Now, as I do like this, if I have problem, where do I run to? I run to Biafran liaison offices. Because the Biafran liaison office will actually speak for me. And you as well, who have embassy, you claim you have embassy. Where do you run to? You run to your embassy. So now, tell me what is the difference between embassy and liaison offices? And most of our people, you have to understand that Biafra have come. To the extent today, Biafra have a house in America where you can just go. Imagine how this country called United States of America, how big they are, how intelligent they are, and they welcome Biafra. I mean, to the extent Biafra have a house in America where you can just go and say, this is your problem, and your problem will be tackled. To all of our people, you have to understand that Biafra have come. And you people are claiming Biafra. You say the Biafra we are talking about. Biafra have been already declared. The first day the Biafra Prime Minister announced the state of Biafra and how many states and the official name for Biafra, which is the United States of Biafra. That was the day Biafra was declared. And you have to understand it. I'm not just telling you to, I don't know how most of people think. I'm not trying to make it up to you, but I'm trying to let you know that Biafra has been already declared. The first day or the day that the Biafra Prime Minister called the official name for Biafra, which was the United States of Biafra, was the day Biafra was declared. And today, all of you people, you don't understand that Biafra is not a government of Biafra. They have Biafra government. I mean, a government where they give order. Even the so-called Nigerian government, they will sit at home. On Monday, on Monday, now it's not, you know, before when every Monday they will give order, there will be a sit at home. Now it's not officially Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Day. Who give that order? Biafran government. Even the so-called Nigerian government, they sit at home every Monday. The so-called Nigerian workers bank and stuff, they sit at home every blessed Monday. What does that tell you? It tells that the Biafran government who is in charge and the power possessing the Biafran land, they are in charge. That's the reason why you see those you believe so much who is called Nigeria government, who is now a foreigner in our land. Remember what is happening some days now. Biafran government is now giving order that every Nigerian military, every Nigerian whatever they call themselves, both Navy and police, should withdraw in Southeast. Tinubu say something about it. Are you people not aware of it? Are you not aware of it that Tinubu have said something about it? And all of you people that you are jumping around because you don't have your left and right. When the Biafran government says something, you say otherwise. Oh, remember those criminals, the IPOB in Nigeria, who told you that if you know, because if he said Master Sam Nepa will try in Biafra, it's a chukwa blue on Biafra Biafra now. Do you know? Do you understand what it means for Biafra to have embassies all over the world, which is called for now Biafra liaison offices? Do you understand what it means? We'll see many how. Because the Biafra Prime Minister told you that if you don't have anything to offer, he don't care. He's doing it what he's doing. He's not calling to come and fight for Biafra. He's telling you that enough men who can fight for Biafra and put Nigeria where they belong to is down already. And what to use to put those who don't believe in us in a place they belong to is down already. Only in Asaki, Bia support Biafra. Only in Asaki, Bia many. But you are the stupid one who don't have sense of reason. You can put an carry on life. Moreover, you don't have anything to offer. Why not keep your mouth shut so that Biafra? Most of you were idiotic who don't have sense of reason. You can put an carry on everywhere. Come out and give the talk nonsense. On the IPOB Nigeria, they will come and release their nonsense press release. Then you follow IPOB Nigeria. Are you not seeing them? And everything that they have been doing, are you not seeing every step they take is always against Biafran struggle? But you people, so many of our daft people, they will keep on jumping around IPOB Nigeria. You see all this, you can have boom on because that particular thing, that truth most of people know and they are not standing for it. God will definitely. And let me break this news for you. There's something that is happening in Korea. You know, when Biafra Prime Minister say this thing, most of us will go and search and know the truth. You know, something about this man. He doesn't say something maybe trying to make it up to you. He always put it straight. He will tell you to go and research about it. When he put it, every one of us will go and research about it. Ask if that is true. So that it will not be like at the end of the day, oh, he lied to us, he do this. Whenever he put something and say, we will go and search about it. Go to Korea today and ask what is going on. Those who never fought for Korea freedom, today as I'm talking to you, they renew their passport every time. This is what is going to happen to most of you people. And the Biafra Prime Minister have already said this, that those who would not support Biafra now, there will be a time you will be renewing your passport every year. And believe me, you see everything. Let me give you some example. They told you about Biafra coming, Biafran government coming. All of you neglect it. Today Biafran government have come. About Biafran army, about Biafran navy, about Biafran air force, about Biafran resistance army, everything that Biafran government in Western world, all the Biafran liaisons office all over the world, all of people neglected it. It's happening to all have come to pass. And who was the one that made that statement? The Biafra Prime Minister Man Simon Ekpa. Today, Biafra de facto government in Biafran land, everything is on point now. All of you people are still doubting it. And believe me, all of people that not support Biafra, if they don't support Biafra coming, you are getting. You be gonna regret every blessed day. Go and mark today's date. Anybody that not support Biafra coming, you will be like, you see, always some things. Matter most of people don't know. You are anywhere you are today, you are not supporting Biafra. And Biafra, you see, even as when you are not supporting Biafra, Biafra is also coming. My brother, my sister, all God do you will do very, very surprised what is going to happen. All of you will be surprised what is going to happen. You see all of us who is struggling in all these African countries and not struggle, but we are still supporting Biafra, talking about Biafra. Don't think we are fools. We are not stupid. But when that time comes, we will know who is who. All of you who have money now jumping around, you give them money, they are sponsoring their dead man's squad, who go kill innocent people, who go kill innocent Biafra. They will say it be the Biafran Prime Minister in voice. Keep on pumping your money to them and keep on doing what you're doing. But at the end of the day, we will know who is who. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister, the man that has been able to defeat the so-called the giant of Africa. A man that set up army that defend Biafra land and defend everything concerning Biafran territory. And put Nigeria terrorists who have come to kill innocent people and put them where they belong. That man is a man that I called the Biafra Prime Minister. He was the man that set up army that Nigeria, for the first time in history, Nigeria chief of army staff come out and cry on national TV that what Simon Ekpa is doing, he's sabotaging everything we are doing. My brother, go check that history. If this have happened before, let us go back to the history of Biafra. Let us see if this happened before. If Nigeria government ever come out and cry before, how they are crying today in the hand of the Biafra Prime Minister. Let us go back to history and see whether such a thing have happened before. Today, Nigeria giant of the so-called giant of Africa, chief of army staff, is crying every blessed daily in the hands of Biafra Prime Minister. He's crying how Biafra Prime Minister Man Simon Ekpa have been able to sabotage every single step they made. He's crying how everything they have made have been in vain. Do you know what it means? You don't know. But I'm telling you, every one of us today, as you keep on jumping around Simon Ekpa and his voice, keep on jumping, as you keep on saying Simon Ekpa is not going to do anything, and he has been doing every single thing, proving you that he is in charge. You know, some of you people are daft. Some of our people who cannot read it, we always jump around and ignore Biafran government. I have been preaching it. The earlier you start doing the needful and stop ignoring Biafran government, the better for you. But as long as you keep on ignoring Biafran government, keep on ignoring, and you keep on seeing the outcome of ignoring them. So God bless the Biafra Prime Minister. God bless every single person. The genuine, the whiter than snow, the autopiloted IPOB, the Biafran standards, the Biafran defenders. In every means you have defend Biafra. In every means you have support Biafra. God bless every Biafran personnel. And I want to use this opportunity to say something. You see, most of you people in Ghana, make una keep on doing one jumping or the other, keep on doing that. But I will tell you, There's time for everything. When that time comes, then you will know who is who. In Biafra, let me even say it, in Ghana, the autopiloted IPOB always invite you to come and join what is going on now. Come and support Biafra restoration now. Come and support Biafra restoration now, not when you will say, had you know. There is no had I know in the book of the Biafran, in the book of the Biafrans, the genuine Biafra, the whiter that's known Biafran, in autopilot book. There is no had I know. It's either you support, do the needful now, the needful is needed, or you forget about it. So there's no had I know in our books. So in Ghana, we autopiloted IPOB invite you peacefully join. I mean, it's not, let me not even put it only in Ghana, all over the world. Support Biafra. Because anybody that does not support Biafra coming now, tomorrow you will say, had you know? Biafra have come. Oh. As you hear the United States of Biafra, that was the declaration of Biafra. And I have said my own. Support Biafra coming. And stop being so Simon Ekpa and the boys. That one, as you're saying it, is up to you. But the end and the outcome of it, all of us we are going to see. So mind you that everything that is going on today that you jump around, and let me even clear it, I will say the reason why I'm here. Master Simon Ekpa, the Biafra president, said that you should distance every single thing that is happening in Southeast between Biafran army and the Nigeria, distance it from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That he is the in charge, he is the commander of Biafran army, Biafran air force, Biafran navy, Biafran resistance fighter. Us no young Mazen Simon Ekpa is the commander. That he should not call Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or he should not interfere Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to anything that is happening in Southeast. That ESN and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you should command them for what is going on today. That you should, if you want to know those who is doing the needful or who is going after Nigeria government, you should look up to him, that he's in charge. The Biafran army, the Biafran navy, the Biafran air force, that and the Biafran navy, the Biafran air force and Biafran fighter. That these are the people he is in charge and the commander. That you should stop calling on Mazen Nnamdi Kanu this, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that. That you should look for him or look. You know, he always said, he said that Nigeria government should look for Biafran army and stop killing innocent people. Nigeria government should look for Biafran army and stop looking for ESN. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? You don't understand. Of course you will not. But if they claim they are, let them go and find Biafra Liberation Army, which Biafran Prime Minister have been saying. Look for them. You want to know those who is, look for Biafra Army. They are waiting for you to respond to you. Find them. And I am the in charge. He said, Biafra Prime Minister, I am in charge. So if you want to look after those who, he said, stop killing innocent Biafra. Look after those who is looking for you, which is Biafran Liberation Army. Look after those who is looking for you, which is Biafran Resistance Fighter. Look after those who is looking for you, which is Biafran Air Force and Navy. Biafra Prime Minister have said that. Look after these people if you want to know. These are the people that is looking for you. Stop looking for ESN. Stop looking for trying to find them to label Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That Mazen Nnamdi Kanu don't know what is going on in Southeast. That he is in charge. Start looking up to that, so that you stop being so doubt and stop reasoning as senseless and brainless people. I hope now most of people understand. You know the reason why we come out and enlighten on something that the Biafra Prime Minister have said? Because most of you people don't even know how to, I don't know. So be aware of this now. That the Biafra Prime Minister said he's in charge of Biafran Army, he's in charge of Biafran Navy, he's in charge of Biafran Air Force, he's in charge of Biafran Resistance Army. And stop tagging those people to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and stop looking for ESN. That ESN don't have hand in what is going on in Southeast. That ESN and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you should keep them out of what is going on. That if you want to know those who is looking for Nigeria terrorists, you should look for Biafran Liberation Army. I hope now it is clear. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister. God bless the Biafran government. God bless anybody that is in support of Biafra restoration. All hail Biafra. All hail autopiloted IPOB, the genuine whiter than snow Biafra all over the world. The Chukwu came and bless all who Muchineki. Oga dry now, my Biafra Biago. Oya Kiji Nota, the official United States of Biafra. Only reason why you call United States of Biafra because Gim as the Calabar man can manage your resources. Gim as the Akwa man can manage your resources. Gim as the Yoruba man can manage your resources. Gim as the Yugo man, you will be managing your resources. Gim as the all of you people, everybody will have their own resources to be managed. That's the reason why it's called United States of Biafra. Then if you know more, or you want to know more, then I'll say use in America. They call United States of America. Use them and know more. The reason why Biafra is called United States of Biafra. God bless us, and may we remain blessed. All hail Biafra. All hail autopiloted IPOB, Ghana.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.